Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza. Welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. I have a sad video for you today because I broke one of my windows as I was putting it in. And that always makes us sad. But it's glass, it happens. So I thought I would explain what happened in this video and show you how I can do a really quick repair. And then we'll go back in a couple of days, put the window back in and pretend like nothing happened. So I hope you find my "oh no, when things go wrong" video helpful. Thank you. So this is the offending piece. The bar, the strengthening bar, comes across here, and when I was pushing the bar into the hole, it snapped this piece. And actually, usually you would have the design with lead going all the way across in a horizontal if you possibly could, where you have a strengthening bar, and that just gives you a little bit more flexibility. But basically my window rebuilt has come up bigger than the original window, and the hole drilled for the bar was just too close. So when I put this window back in, I'm going to drill a new hole for the bar higher up, and I'm going to tether it here. But I need to replace this piece, obviously. So I've recut. I have cut out the outside lead, but because of the shape, it's fatter here than it is here. I have to do more than that to get it out. And when you're taking apart a window that's freshly made, it's actually a lot harder than an old window because the cement is all very stiff and it's all well put together basically. So what I've done is, apart from taking out this, I'm taking off the top side of this lead here. I've cut through it with my multi-tool. I've cut through the joint here. So the hope is that once I have peeled off the top section of this lead, I'll be able to just lift it out and wiggle the next piece in. But of course there's cement under here which is making it difficult to get this piece out. There we go. Bit of wiggle room helps. There we are. Now once you've got the old piece out, you have to scrape out the cement. Now, let's see how we go. So I'm just nibbling this, and I need to trim it. Where's my pen? I can't get any solder under there. It was just a bit of an experiment to see if I could. So what I've done is I've coated the top with solder because that will make that a really hard joint. So that's the window mended. I'm going to show you a bit of a trick for how to cement just a very small part of your window. So when you only have a very small amount of cementing to do, you probably are not going to be wanting to make up your own cement. So this is what you do. Bit of glazer's putty and a bit of pigment. Oh, probably not that much, but hey ho. And then you get your trusty toothbrush or anything you like. And I think you can see where I'm going, can't you? And there it is. Wasn't that easy? So this shop bought putty is a bit stickier than the stuff I make myself. So I probably won't put whiting on it another time because it really dried it out. I'm going to put some patina on this, I think. That's this stuff, patina or patina. It's very good for bringing down the colour of the solder. Doesn't work as well on the lead. There we go. And the other thing, when I put this window back in, I'm going to buy a new saddle bar, strengthening bar, because I can buy one that's 5mm, because the one I took out would have originally been 6mm, but with the rust it expands, so it's probably about more like 7mm now. There. So that's my horrible break repaired. It's always rather depressing when that happens. So I shall go back and make it all good on Friday. So there it is, all better now, and we'll put it back in and forget it ever happened. Thank you for watching. Hope you found it helpful. Check out my other videos. Oh, and like, comment and subscribe.